In the previous lecture, we learned about the select element. In this lecture, we're going to learn about the text area element. A text area is used to enter multi-line text. There is two attributes that could be used but are not required: the columns and the rows attribute. The columns attribute takes only positive numbers and is used to set the width of a text area. The rows attribute specifies the height of a text area, which is based on text lines. Okay, so we're going to define a text area here, and this element has its own closing tag. So we're going to add the rows attribute first, and we're going to set this to 3. Then we're going to add the columns attribute, and we're going to set this to 40. Remember, the rows specifies the height of the text area, and the columns specifies the width of the text area. Okay, so I'm gonna add a text. This is a very simple message. Okay, now I'm gonna save it and refresh the page. And there you have it. Let's just increment the height. Make it to 10. Okay, and increment the width. I'm gonna say 80. Okay, and of course you can expand this, right? Okay, well that is it for this lecture. In the next lecture, we're gonna learn about the button element.